And there's the 52-inch Tiara, which I filmed the 60-inch one in this finish before. These things are insanely powerful for a residential fan. 188 by 25 millimeter motor, 15-degree blade pitch. Powerful performance for one of these. Yeah, that's low. For it, I say this is really fast for a low. Medium. And you can already hear the wind.
I gotta be careful because those fans could hurt.
Yeah, just be careful.
I
Don't.
was told a metal blade could chop you.
Oh, most definitely.
Yeah, definitely.
He showed me a video of a metal bladed fan chopping fruit, and it just clean cut.
Yep.
Woo.
Definitely, that's why you definitely want to be careful around a ceiling fan. When you're not careful, that's what can happen. And that's medium. That's kind of fast. Let's go full power. And this is how a 52-inch Tiara would perform.
Chilling. Good place to do it.
Yeah.
Nice break from morning heat.
Yeah, definitely. Very, very fast and powerful fan. This is why the Tiara lives up to my most powerful, most favorite Gulf Coast fan of all time. And unfortunately, they will be coming to a DC very soon, so thought I'd film this. I'm glad I bought mine before they start to go to DC anyways. There you have it.